Hey guys, welcome to
Sense
Location
no shock.
Yeah, we are here once again. We are back again. We are here again. So today we are going to do converting.
Okay.
We are doing problem work today. How to fix this in case you have ordered something like this before. You didn't know how to fix it. So we ordered this thing, and I saw that this pipe here is bigger than the one we have here. So I bought. I went down to the what is it called, the enemy
China
shop,
shop.
and bought this one. I'm going to be using this one for the converting because this side will be going this way, this side, and this one here will be going here. So in case if you want to buy, you look for the this side mat because this mat is very big and this one is smaller. So this one will be going to this place. Why this big one will be coming here? So let's start work. Let's continue. Narasta. Yes. So if the first things we do here, we'll remove this one because we have to lock this water. If you didn't lock this one first, if you open this one, every year will be full with water. So we'll look for boats to flow. So if you don't need boat, you lock this place.
Okay.
If you don't need boat or ship
Or swimming.
or swimming truck, you lock it first. Now, so I've locked the water here. So I want to lose this one. Let's see how it's go. Or you. So I will be putting this one because of the water that is inside this hose here. The pipe also.
Small water will come out.
What are you? This one is water. So now I can lose this one. In case you have this kind of problem, don't fear. The solution is here now. Solution setter.
There are really solutions to that. And guys, if you live around Spain, if you want someone to help you to fix your own, you can call.
See? So this is the one we have before.
And you keep on one side.
Nobody Paranada.
Don't speak by your inside.
This one is the one I'm going to be using. The reason why I bought this one because this one cannot enter this list. You see, it's very big. Cannot enter. If you put this one, you have to look for what is it called? You look for swimming truck. You look for swimming truck that you go inside. Understand? Let me see. Let me check if there is a rubber inside so that I don't have power to balame. You see the way I'm doing it now? It's very easy. It's very easy when you are inside. Don't understand it another way, man.
All makes sense.
So this one will be going this place.
Can I just tap on one stay? Which means this other one you still use?
No, let me buy that one.
Okay, can't tie that one go inside there. All right.
I'm gonna put the other one. Pass. Like this.
Maybe it'll be okay for up like that. You hang up for up. Yeah, like that. My leg is too cool for that.
Now. I may set the time that I don't know what I want to determine this. Yawa. Maybe dibuka. Saya ada dapat.
Itu sih mana not and tutu.
Saya mana.
So guys, this is how it's looking. Onion the water. Are you done?
Yeah, man.
Muy bien. Muy bien. Bien.